Good morning. So I just woke up like 2 minutes ago. I just would like to share you my tips on how I braid my hair every time I go to sleep. Well, this is nice before I slept last night, but well, you don't expect that it's still beautiful because I went to sleep and this is how it looks like. And I got this idea from a family member of my husband's side. And she told me to braid my hair every time I go to sleep. And I asked her why, because that's what she does on her hair. So she told me that because my hair is nice and long, but normally I do a ponytail with my hair every time I go to sleep because it's really annoying when you sleep. So I tie it, but it's not like really tight. Make it like loose. Just tie the hair just so it won't go messy everywhere. You know what I mean? So she told me braid your hair every time you go to sleep so it won't cause a split end. So I got this idea. I'd like to share it with you as well. I will show you on how I will do it, like how it looks like this, why it's like that, why not in the back. You get what I mean? So anyway, magtutoothbrush muna ako and I will show you after.
Hi again, Earthlings! So, before I will proceed, I will show you first the type or the kind of brushes that I use for my hair or comb. And as you can see, I have 3 types of hair brushes. Before you sleep, this is good for your hair. I normally use this one because it's more comfy for me. After I had my shower, I use this wood kind of comb. The bigger it is, the space here, the better. When you finish your shower, it's not unless if you have conditioner that you applied on your hair, it's very easy for you to comb. You can even use your hands on that. Let's proceed. I will show you how I braid my hair. O, diba? Para ako nagbabayang-bayang magiliw. I mentioned earlier why I put on this side my braided hair every time I go to sleep. It's because when I lie down, like for example, I'll show you. If I braid my hair like that, normally like that, when I lie down, see, you can tell the difference. But if I put like this, and if I lie down, I can put like that. Grabe ang illustration, no? May pahiga-higa. But anyway, let's proceed. I will be using this one as of now. Or I can use this one. I hope makikita nyo. Okay. You're gonna need this one, a tie bun. Separate it in three pieces. Pieces ba? Basta, separate nyo ganyan para mag-braid kayo. And then like that. Why we are doing this? Well, this is the way I get rid of my split ends. Para hindi kayo magka-split ends. Ganun. Ito yung aking way. I don't tie it too much kasi it will hurt your scalp. Yung parang loose lang din siya kasi matutulog ka na, syempre. So, yan lang. Ganyan lang. And don't do this one. Just let it like that. And then, when I lie down, I'll just put like that. See? So, this is how you do it. Remember, use brushes for your hair. It's really very good. If you have woods, it would be better than the plastic. This one is made of woods. This one is made of woods also. That's it. That's my tips for today on this video. I hope you like it, guys. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below to get you notified once I have new uploaded video. And yes, if you have anything in mind that you want me to review or to do, feel free to comment. I would appreciate it a lot. And yeah, have a good day. God bless